Willy bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every thugs, yeah. I agree with your boss, yeah. So the rum say, yeah.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and this week we're at the Prospect Outback Adventures right here in St. Mary. We're about to have tons of fun. Keep it locked for the next half an hour as we bring you the latest in lifestyle and entertainment. Pree Dis starts right now. Text message is the latest video from Busy Signal. We were at the lounge, so check out the highlights.
Gala WhatsApp and I send text. Me see the SMS. Me have to show interest. Me a one boy now make the girls vex. But what is? She not stop. She a text off the phone. She not stop. Mister, please call me, but could no call back. Me the stupid.
But the song speaks to what Lime is all about. It speaks to what's going on with our customers right now. Everybody's text messaging. We go to parties, that's all they're doing is WhatsApping and text messaging. So we thought that it was perfect for the brand, but we certainly thought that it was clever. The lyrics, how the lyrics are put together, how clever it was, how catchy it was. I loved it, the brand loved it, and therefore we decided to come on board. And when we saw the video, how the video and the visuals worked with the lyrics, we thought it was incredible.
Oh my God, the video is just, as you see, you know what I mean, self-explanatory. It just tell you what we are doing now in terms of communication, telecommunication, texting communication, and social media. So that is where the world is at right now. We have to just keep it like that. Evolution. Lime as a telecommunicating company, them just relate real quick. So, hey, you know what I mean? The opportunity was there. People from Lime respect me from a long time, and I love them and respect them from a long time. So, we just link up and get it done. Busy, I'm so busy, I'm very busy, attach. I'm very busy, shorty, please could you check me later to the prayer, what can make you sing like Christina Aguilera, pack up the song upon the underground. Turn down me phone cause 3 girls side of me asleep, me couldn't wake them. WTF, them fi know me are the girls BFF. Anything or anything, BTW, the girls type many thing. Then I ask if me a go YVA. Me type back and say IDK. She said, you probably gone pan tour, right? Me text IKR, I know, right? See a text from Chantel. Me text back and say TTYL. Gal, FYI. Do not be send me no face where you cry. Me can't call right now on the spot where me then me can't get no Wi-Fi. And next girl text busy or you so angry. Me text back say me related to Rodney. She type SMH. It's like she just member say we are one big family. Be a girl a WhatsApp me. From in a house, in a car, in a taxi. Me GPS lock off. That simple mean nobody in the world can track me. A girl send message but me no read it. One tick go through so me receive it. Me know say she a wait for see the blue tick. Me text and say BRB, you are the cutest. Chatterbox STFU KIT when me text you. Peace. Turf. Yo. Madness.
So now let's listen up to some health benefits of drinking Tru Juice fruit punch. And don't forget about the Tru Juice cross-country 5K run to be held on June 7. Check it out.
Fruit punch is an excellent mix of juices extracted from apples, beetroot, carrots, ginger, and oranges, making a refreshing, nutritious, and exotic punch to quench your thirst. Drinking fresh juice is a gateway to a healthy body and relaxed mind. These healthy fruit punches, made from extracting either fruit or vegetable juices, are the healthiest way to substitute soft drinks, and they carry various nutritional benefits. This healthy living tip is brought to you by Tru Juice, premium quality juices naturally.